Welcome to Senior Inter Physics Smart or Digital Online Classes. Today's topic Equipotential Surfaces. I am RP sir. Equipotential surfaces. The surface having same electric potential at every point is called equipotential surface. Let us consider 2 points on equipotential surface A and B. VA, VB are potentials at A and B respectively. According to definition, the electric potential at every point is same on equipotential surface. That is, VA is equals to VB. Then potential difference dV is equals to VA minus VB is equals to 0. That means the potential difference between any 2 points on an equipotential surface dV is equals to 0. That means no work is required to move a charge from A to B. Therefore, no work is required to move a test charge between any 2 points on equipotential surface. The electric field always right angles, that is 90 degrees, to the equipotential surface. E is perpendicular to equipotential surface. That is theta equals to 90 degrees between electric field and equipotential surface. As we know, the potential difference between any 2 points on an equipotential surface dV is equals to 0. The relation between potential difference and electric field is given by dV equals to minus EdR. Later we will discuss this topic. Here, as we know, dV is equals to 0 and minus EdR minus EdR cos theta. Therefore theta equals to 90. Relation between field and potential. Let A, B are equipotential surfaces with potential V and V plus delta V, where delta V is the change in V in the direction of electric field. Let P be a point on B and dl is perpendicular distance of surface A from P. Now imagine a unit positive charge moved from B to A against electric field. The work done in this process is E dot dl. This work done equal to potential difference VA minus VB, which is equals to V minus V plus delta V. Therefore, E dot delta L is equals to minus delta V, or delta V is equals to minus E dot delta L. From above discussion, we make two conclusions. Number one, electric field is in the direction in which potential decreases steepest, and electric field magnitude is given by change in magnitude of potential per unit displacement normal to the equipotential surface at the point. That is, E is equals to minus delta V by delta L, or we may also write E is equals to minus dV by dr. Thank you.